dear friends. We are from class 5A and today we are here to speak for someone very special. Someone who gives us everything: air to breathe, water to drink, trees, animals, clouds and colors. She is our Mother Earth, but now she needs our help. Our rivers are choking with plastic. Our forests are disappearing and the air is turning dirty, but it's not too late. We can still protect her. Let's save water. Let's say no to plastic. Let's plant more trees. Let's walk more, drink less and care more. Because we have only one earth and one chance. Let's not miss it. We promise to protect our planet today, tomorrow, and